hard out there. The teasing, the jokes, the strained looks. Just because I'm the slightest bit different. No one ever considers my feelings, or my thoughts, or my anything. They make me feel unhuman, and I guess they're sorta right. I'm not human. And honestly, at this point, I can't remember not feeling like this. Some say it'll get better, and they're probably right. It's just, I've never met anyone else like me before. Sure, there's animals and superheroes, and some like pretty patterns, but I'm not like them. I'm a carrot.